So some people were asking me about the current state of the Outwack, and this is it. You know, front bumper's missing, crash bar's missing. I did change the fenders, the hood, the headlights. The doors that I changed were gold. The hatch on the back is also gold, and I got partway through it and then I stopped, and let me show you why. Because we got this one. This one showed up at work. It's got 90,000 less kilometers on it than my current one. It's also a 3.6. It's also a 2010. So I just decided to buy it, and it might seem a bit silly because I already have one and I got halfway through fixing it, but it's peace of mind. This one, you know, I don't know if there's more to it that I can't figure out. There's a lot of body damage that I'm not able to get out, like right there, up there. The big spot that concerns me is the roof. The way the roof sits here like that, you know, that's something to be worried about. And just the whole thing, trying to work on it, it just makes me sad. Like, and I feel dumb because I did this. I'm the one that broke my car, and it was stressing me out, so I just had to make the executive decision to take the easy route. So we've got the Outwack 2 now. It needs not much to be good to go. I am going to do one trip without modifying it at all. All I've done is put the oversized tires, and we'll transfer all the modifications over. And the best part about this is all the modifications I did, there's always like one thing that isn't quite right, or after I did it I said, I could have done this differently. So this is a second chance. I get a do-over. I learned from what I did the first time, and it'll hopefully be better the second time. So it's gold too. I'm not happy about that, but that's fine. And the real thing that I'm not sure if I like or not is the white interior, because I'm a dirty guy. Yeah, we'll be saying goodbye to this one soon. Thanks for watching.